Hello again, everybody. Welcome to an eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Certified box break number 17. Here's the last time up for auction. There's Edmonton. Here's a serial number, NE938-92124. So let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Here we go, pack one. We have base, base, and base. Decoy, base, and base. Pack two. Base, base, and base. We have a collision course hit for the Canucks of Ryan Kesler. Decoy and base. Pack number three. We have base and base and base. We have a nice hit here for the Flyers. It's a Stickums card, nice stick piece of Jaromir Jagr. Number 17 out of 50. It's a nice hit for the Flyers. Base and base. Pack four. We have base and base. We have a throwbacks threads card. This is for the Avalanche of Randy Moller. Decoy, base and base. Pack five. We have base. Base. We have a mirror parallel ruby card for the Red Wings of Henrik Zetterberg. 77 of 199. Decoy. Base and base. Pack six. Base. Base and base. And we have a mirror parallel ruby jersey, dual jersey card for the Wild of Cal Clutterbuck. 110 out of 150. And base and base. Pack seven. We have base, base, and base, and base. Decoy and base. Pack eight. We have base and base. And we have a nice short print autograph card, mirror parallel of Ryan Kesler for the Canucks. 10 out of 25. It's a nice hit for the Canucks. And we have a mirror parallel jersey card of James Reimer for the Leafs. 99 out of 99. Base and base. Pack number 9. Base and base. We have a Mass Marvels card for the Canadians of Carey Price. Decoy, base, and base. And the final pack. Base, base, and base. We have a freshman signature hit for the Jets. Rookie card of Paul Postma. Card goes to the Jets. Decoy and base. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.